$2,000 mistake just because I trust my previous experience. I said, okay, this is the reason. Never trust your experience in auto repair on any car. I worked on many Priuses. I worked on many hybrid cars. Still struggling to fix the same thing. I did it over and over and over and over again. Why? I have a live problem here that they came with the previous same symptoms that I fixed multiple times. And I fixed it and it didn't get fixed. $2,000 mistake just because I trust my previous experience. I said, okay, that's the same thing. I've never done it. I've never mistaken. I'm gonna do it and I think it's gonna be fine. And it wasn't fine. It cost me $2,000. This car, Toyota Prius, it came to my shop and they said ABS pump replacement. And the guy, he took it to another shop. They did the diagnostic. They brought me a paper and they said they need an ABS pump. And as a technician, I said, okay, even though the customer told me what's wrong with the car, I'm responsible to inspect the car. But I put the brand new ABS pump from Toyota, $1,700 in it. And I give discount on the labor and stuff. We put everything back together and same problem. And we found out what's wrong with the car. This ABS relay. This is the ABS relay. This is a ABS relay, and there's two more. This one and this one. They're responsible for ABS, and there's two fuses, number 10. This one and this one and this one. I don't know who changed this. It should be 25. That's the things. There is someone worked on this car, and they changed this fuse from 25 to 30. This is supposed to be 25. If you look at this map, right there, ABS. 25, but this is 30. Someone replaced it, maybe blown, but this is not the problem. The problem is this relay, meter 2, not getting power and not sending power to this red wire, of ABS pump. I figured it out. I just rewired the number 4 pin and sent power directly from this to that wire. I checked the continuity with my multimeter and it's fine. There's no disconnection. Okay, now what's the problem? There is another pin. That pin should receive power from skid control module, and that power with the ground from same computer energize this relay to send the power through this pin to that ABS pump. It doesn't. When I do it manually, I can activate the ABS pump, but it's not working. And I just found out there is something here underneath it. It's called a skid control module. That skid control module does not send power to that computer. I'm in a mid job, I have to remove that wires and stuff to find the proper wire. There is a red wire that sends power to the fuse box, and from fuse box to the relay and goes to the ABS pump. It doesn't send. I have to check that wire and check the continuity, see if that wire is disconnected, if somehow is broken. I'm thinking maybe the wire has a problem. If not, the control module itself, I'm gonna check that and see what's going on. I'm thinking it's a control module itself because I inspect the wires. I didn't see anything, but you don't know. This is the mistake that I did. I have to go through extra job and I have to do it for free. Customer agreed with the price that I gave. Even he told me the ABS pump need to replace. I'm responsible to take care of the car, check the car before doing major repair. This is one of the biggest mistake technicians do. They trust their experience a lot. It kind of gives them some sort of ego or some sort of, pride feeling. Oh, I have experience, I've done it, that's okay, just throw the part. No, that same symptom, same thing, it may not give you the same result that you had in previous cars. Don't do that, especially when you work on electric and Prius, because there's a lot of wires, there's a lot of relays and modules and a lot of stuff going on in the same car. As you guys see, same ABS pump has 4 relay, 3 fuses. 4 relay, 3 fuses. The ABS system in the Priuses are so important because they are different than normal car. They regenerate and recharge the hybrid battery, and that's why they take care of it. They put a lot of fuses and relays and stuff to protect the system, and there's a couple modules related to that ABS system. But Same thing. Don't trust your experience. Always check, double check, make sure to replicate the problem and tell the accurate, good diagnostic result. Don't go based on someone else's diagnostic. Do your own. If you're better, if you know what you're doing, do it. Check it. Make sure, double check it always. Don't trust what the customer says, because sometimes customers, they don't want to pay diagnostic fee. They just guess. Thank you guys for watching my video, and I hope you liked it. Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye.